All right. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Justin with California Grenadiers again. Gonna go ahead and get this air filter cleaned, the K&N air filter. Gonna get it cleaned. So what you want to do is get your cotton air filter cleaner, give it a good shake, and then you just kind of spray it evenly over the whole air filter. Probably do it on both sides. You want to get it in there pretty good so it gets out all the dust and dirt and grime and stuff. And then flip it over. This is the dirty side, or the intake side, the inlet side. And try to get it in there pretty good. I'm trying to get it through those pleats and everything. Fingers get kind of tired after a few pumps. Sorry, that's what my wife told me last night. But yeah, you just try to get it in there really well, penetrate. You want all of that dirt, dust to kind of break up, get loose, all that. And then afterwards you can rinse it off. And usually when you rinse it off, you want to rinse it off from the clean side. That way the dirt gets pushed out through the dirty side. So when you rinse it this way, so all that dirt that's been getting caught that way goes back out that way. That way it doesn't get more embedded into the air filter element. And you just spray out that way. So this, you let it kind of soak for 10 minutes. After it's done soaking, rinse it off with some cool water. Let that, shake that out, let that kind of dry for 20 minutes or so. And then you spray the oil on there, and you get it nice and even. You just spray this side because that oil is going to filter through there, wick through there. And that's going to create that nice barrier to not let the finer particles go through. And you'll have a nice, fresh, almost like it's brand new out of the box K&N air filter ready to increase your performance, make some cool sounds, maybe get a little bit more gas mileage. So stay tuned for the next part 3, and we'll get her oiled up for you guys.